mother. If she ever find another, he better love her. Man, I swear my life is perfect. I can murder.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Mac here, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is, if you guessed it from the title, it will be my daily routine for all curly textured hair. So that means deep wave, natural wave, curly, all of that. Any of that, this is what I do to this type of hair on a daily basis. So you will see me in a pre-recorded clip styling what I have today, and if you want to know how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Hey y'all, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I do on a daily basis to any of my weaves that are curly or have wave pattern. It's very quick, very easy. You only need 3 things. As you can see, I'm taking my hair down right now. That is a day's worth of blood, sweat, and tears, honey. So let's just get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is a water bottle or a spray bottle that you can get from Walmart. I think that's where I got mine from. You're gonna need a leave-in conditioner of your choice. I'm using the Garnier Fructis Intensively Smooth Leave-In Conditioner, and you also need a Denman brush. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm just sectioning the hair and saturating the hair with water. Not to the point where it's just soaking wet, but it's not damp either. So just a good balance between the two. And I'm just running that through my fingers and just making sure I get every part of the hair. Now I'm taking a little bit of leave-in and just running it through the bundles. Make sure you get the ends as well. And right now I am just brushing the hair from bottom to top and just making sure I'm detangling it all. So this is one half of my head done. It looks very nice as opposed to the other side that looks very nappy. So let's tackle this next side. Alright, so I'm going to be doing the same thing I did on the other side, just saturating the hair with water and making sure I get it wet enough for the conditioner to slip right through. As I'm watching this, I really don't know why I took the part of the hair through the other part. I should have just brought it around, but whatever. Alright, so I am done. Just giving you guys a little view of what it looks like now. It looks very pretty, very nice, not as frizzy. And then what I do to lay down my flyaways is I take Got2b, the freeze spray, and I take a toothbrush and I just spray it on the toothbrush and just lay it down from the top. And what I'm doing right here is flipping my hair over and scrunching the hair from the bottom up. It looks very cute, and there we have it, y'all. I thank y'all for watching the video, and make sure y'all like and subscribe. If y'all want more videos like this, just let me know.
Mother, if she ever find another, he better love her. Man, I swear my life is perfect. I can merge it. If I die, I'll probably